Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the biggest debates in the programming history, that is Python versus Java. Stay tuned to Code and Clarity. Now, Python and Java both are incredibly popular. Both power some of the biggest applications in the world, but the big question is which one truly reigns supreme? In this video, we will break it down in simple terms, like in terms of ease of learning, performance, real world applications, job opportunities, and of course, my final verdict. So, stick around till the end because this might just help you to decide your next programming language. Now, let's start with how easy it is to learn these languages. Python is famous for its simplicity. The code almost reads like plain English, which is why so many beginners start with it. If you want to print Hello World, it's literally just one line print Hello World. That's it. Now, Java takes a very different approach. It's more strict, more structured. To print exactly the same thing in Java, you have to define a class, a main method, and then finally print your text. It looks like a lot more work, right? This strictness makes Java a little tougher for beginners, but it also enforces discipline, something that can help when building large complex applications. So, who is the winner here? If you are just starting out and want quick results, Python definitely wins for simplicity. But if you want a language that teaches you strong programming fundamentals, then Java will be a solid choice. Now, let's talk about the speed and performance. Java is generally faster than Python. That's because Java runs on the JVM, that is the Java Virtual Machine, and uses something called as the just-in-time compilation, which makes execution very efficient. This makes Java a great option for the enterprise level applications where speed and scalability really matter. Now, Python, on the other hand, is interpreted, which usually means it's slower. But here's the twist: Python makes up for this with powerful libraries. For example, in data science, libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow are optimized in lower level languages like C, so Python feels fast enough for those use cases. Now, so in raw performance, Java wins, but in practical use, Python still holds its ground in fields like AI and research. Okay, is that clear? Now, where do these languages shine in the real world? Python is everywhere in modern technology. It's the king of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. If you are working with big data, building chatbots, or experimenting with AI models, Python is the go to language. It's also widely used in web development with frameworks like Django and Flask, and even in simple automation tasks like writing scripts to make your life easier. Now, Java, on the other hand, has been a workhorse for decades. It powers massive enterprise systems, think banking applications, e commerce platforms, and large scale backends. It is also the backend of Android app development, which means if you want to make apps for billions of Android users, you will need Java or its cousin Kotlin. So here it's not about one winning over the other. Instead, it depends on what you want to build. AI or automation. If it's AI or automation, go for Python. If it's large enterprise systems or Android apps, then Java will be your best friend. Now, we will be discussing about the community and ecosystem. One of the biggest strengths of any programming language is its community. Python has exploded in popularity over the past decades, largely thanks to the boom in AI and machine learning. The ecosystem is growing like crazy with new libraries, tutorials, and tools coming out almost every day. Java, on the other hand, has been around since the 90s. It has a very mature ecosystem. Frameworks like Spring and Hibernate are battle tested and widely used in the enterprise world. Both languages have huge global communities, which means whichever one you pick, you will find tons of resources, documentation, and job opportunities as well. So, now let's talk about the most important thing for many people, which is the jobs. Python developers are in super high demand, especially in areas like data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Startups love Python because it lets them build and test products quickly. Java developers, however, are still essential. Banks, Large corporations, government systems, they all rely heavily on Java. Now, if you want a stable, high paying career in enterprise, software, or Android development, Java is a fantastic choice. So, once again, there is no single winner. It depends on your personal career goals, on your personal opinion. So, Python versus Java, which wins? Here's the truth, there is no ultimate champion. If you are a beginner or you want to work with AI, ML, or automation, Python is your best bet. And if you are aiming for enterprise systems, Android apps, or performance heavy projects, then Java is the way to go. The real secret, if you can learn both, you will open yourself up to endless opportunities. You will have the flexibility to work on almost any kind of project in the tech industry. So instead of asking which one is supreme, maybe the better question will be which one is supreme for you personally, because it is entirely your choice. And that's for today's battle for Python versus Java. So tell me, are you Team Python or Team Java? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such contents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day. Get up.